By 2050, we need to feed nearly 10 billion people. But we have less land, less water, and unpredictable weather. How do we grow more with less? The answer is precision agriculture, powered by AI. AI in agriculture isn't just robot farmers, it's about data. It uses satellites, drones, and sensors to treat every single plant individually instead of treating the whole field the same way. First, precision weed control. Traditional farming sprays herbicide over the entire field. AI cameras can now spot a weed, distinguish it from the crop, and spray only the weed in milliseconds. This cuts chemical use by up to 90%, saving money and the environment. Second, crop health monitoring. Satellites and drones scan fields to detect stress like disease, pests, or lack of water weeks before the human eye can see it. Farmers get a risk map on their phone so they can treat just the sick patch, not the whole farm. Third, labor automation. Farm labor is scarce. AI robots can now harvest delicate fruits like strawberries without bruising them, or drive tractors autonomously 24/7 during planting season. It solves the labor gap and keeps food prices stable. Fourth, smart irrigation. Instead of watering on a schedule, AI checks soil moisture, sensors, and weather forecasts. It waters only when needed, and only where needed, in drought-prone areas. This is a game changer. The challenges: connectivity. AI needs data, but many rural areas lack high-speed internet, and cost. High-tech tractors are expensive. We need to make this tech accessible to small farmers, not just giant corporations. Farming is the world's oldest industry. AI is making it the most futuristic. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.